Mom of all trades here. So as you've seen our last video, we got a new boat and we took our old boat out of storage. So now we have to sell it, so I'm going to clean it. But unfortunately, we made a big mistake. We put the boat away wet. So as you can see here, this is the boat. It's a Diva Forester. I'm gonna clean that up and give you a tour inside and show you how big of a job it's gonna be. All right, here she is. All right, here's the back. It's pretty dirty. In there. Oh yeah, she's dirty. Give you a little tour around. Give her a little spritzing up. She's still a good girl. Look at that dirt. Yeah, she looks good for her age. All right, we'll head on inside. All right, here's the inside of the boat. Let's have a look. So here's something not to do. Don't leave your boat wet and put it away. Otherwise this happens. Look at this mess. These are supposed to be white seats. What a mess. Everywhere is just filthy. So here's the front, the bow. It's pretty dirty in here. Clean that up. Even the inside of the cover was wet when we put it away. We're gonna clean that also. And yeah, the bimini top was in here, so it's fairly dirty itself too. Back seat's not too bad. The inside of the cover's bad. So yeah, I'm gonna do some time lapse and get this cleaned up. Look at the back here, it's a good thing to see there. Awesome, all right, stay tuned guys, enjoy. All right, so I've done some stripping down, taken some seats off. You can see inside there. This was behind the cushion. That's behind the other one. Look at that. Yeah, we're gonna get to work here. Here I used a Thermax extractor to shampoo the carpet. Well, we're done extracting the entire boat. Here's the water. Look at that. After, before, after, before. Look at this beauty, 1983, all cleaned up and ready to get back onto the water with its new owners. Thanks for watching my video.